This lesson provides a comprehensive walkthrough of the Google Calendar trigger node. We'll cover every field, event type, and filter, ensuring you understand each setting before building your automated workflows. This powerful tool allows you to automate tasks based on various calendar events, streamlining your meeting management. Let's explore the anatomy of the Google Calendar trigger. Before the Google Calendar trigger can function, your Expedify organization needs a connected Google Calendar account. This is a one-time setup performed in Settings, under Integrations. You'll add Google Calendar, complete the Google OAuth process, and grant Expedify access. Once connected, it appears as a tile in the Calendar section, ready for the trigger to listen to events. Without this initial connection, the trigger has no calendar to monitor. When you drop the Google Calendar trigger onto the canvas from the node palette, it appears with a calendar icon and its label. Initially, you'll notice a small red One Issue badge, indicating it's not yet configured. This is the default state for all new triggers. To resolve this, simply double-click the trigger to open its configuration panel, which we'll explore next. Double-clicking the trigger opens its configuration panel, which is divided into 4 key sections. At the top, you'll find the Google account selection, followed by the calendar choice. The middle block details the trigger when options, allowing you to select from 5 event types. Finally, at the bottom, there's a collapsible filters group, which is optional but crucial for narrowing down the events you care about. We'll examine each of these sections in detail. The first field in the config panel is Google account. If your organization has multiple Google Calendar connections, perhaps one for sales and another for a founder, all will be listed here. You'll select the specific connection this trigger should use. Most organizations typically have one default connection. A Manage Integrations link is also available, allowing you to quickly add new connections if needed. Your selection here determines which calendars become available in the next drop-down. Next, you'll choose the specific calendar to watch. A single Google account can host multiple calendars, including your primary calendar and any shared team calendars. All these will appear in this drop-down. For instance, a sales team might select their primary calendar for individual calls or a dedicated shared sales calls calendar. It's important to note that the trigger will only monitor the single calendar you select, not all calendars associated with a chosen Google account. The Trigger When section is central to defining your automation. You can multi-select from 5 distinct event types. Event created fires when a new meeting is booked, ideal for new prospect workflows. Event updated triggers when an existing event changes, such as a time adjustment or attendee addition. Event cancelled activates upon meeting deletion, useful for rescheduling automations. Event starting soon fires a configurable number of minutes before a meeting, perfect for pre-meeting preparations. Lastly, meeting notes attached triggers once a Google Doc, typically Gemini's auto-generated summary, is added to the event after the meeting concludes, serving post-meeting workflows. Filters are optional yet powerful for refining when your trigger fires. The title description filter allows you to enter any text, like sales call or demo, and the trigger will only activate if that text appears in the event. Below this, match scope determines where the search occurs. The default is any field, encompassing title, description, location, or attendees. You can narrow this to title only, description only, location only, or attendees only to ensure the trigger only fires on relevant events, preventing unnecessary activations from general calendar noise. 2 additional filters provide further control. The attendee filter allows you to specify an email or name fragment, such as support@expedify.ai, ensuring the trigger only fires if an attendee matches. This filter operates independently and stacks with the title filter, enabling precise targeting like meetings with demo in the title and an attendee from Expedify.ai. The time zone field, using INA names like Asia Kolkata, defaults to UTC and is crucial for accurate event time interpretation, especially for events starting soon lead time calculations. Adjust this to your organization's actual time zone if it differs from UTC. The Google Calendar trigger provides valuable data to your downstream nodes. The event_type output indicates which event fired, created, updated, cancelled, starting soon, or notes attached, allowing for conditional branching in your workflows. Summary provides the event title, while description contains the event body. Start and end are time objects with date time and time zone, useful for reminder emails. The attendees output lists all attendees with their email and status. Finally, Hangout_link provides the Google Meet link if available, and HTML_link offers the direct calendar link. These outputs can be wired into any subsequent actions. That concludes our deep dive into the Google Calendar trigger. Thank you for joining, and next, we'll explore the Google Sheets trigger to automate of spreadsheet changes.